Stapler industrial assets bring reliable long-term returns. Hello all industrial entrepreneurs and enterprise managers. I am Wei Yua Angel NG, focusing on high-value industrial property investment and transaction services in the GRA8 Bay RA. Tati AI, I recommend a high-yield detached factory compound located in Shunde Foshan, adjacent to Panyu. IS is a fully enclosed independent factory with complete state-owned double certificates. The land area covers 15 mil and the total construction area reaches approximately 17,000 square meters. The property right is valid until the year 2053 with clear and legal qualification. LOC 80 right on the main road with no surrounding residents. It greatly avoids noise restriction and brings flexible production conditions. IS project is an excellent investment property with stable rental income. The annual rental income reaches 3,360,000 RMB, creating steady passive cash flow for investors. The standard factory building layout is neat with high space utilization, suitable for long-term leaseholding or enterprise self-use production. The total selling price is 50 million RMB. It is a rare core industrial asset with stable returns and complete certificates. Sincere e-buyers are welcome to arrange on-site inspection and negotiate details face-to-face. I am Wei Yua NG. You can reach me at +86 14748 185030. See you next time.